I'm Mike.
I'm Kelly, and this is Hazel.
And that's Hazel. Running into problems really with just, the dog being overly aggressive, very assertive on the chain or on the leash, and we just had this big problem.
And I was watching the news, and there was a story about a dog who bit someone and had to be put down. And my biggest fear was that someday that Hazel would do that to somebody. But then Troy with Sit Mean Sit came on the news and talked about how Sit Mean Sit helps get dogs over that aggressive behavior, and I was like, okay, this is where we need to send our dogs.
And we did some research. I mean, everything's online, and we looked at Sit Mean Sit website, we looked at some other websites, and we kind of leaned on Sit Mean Sit because we thought it was the most, I think we were going to get the most done with it. The best improvement, I think, is just for our confidence as well. Like, for me and Kelly, this wasn't the most familiar of things, and now we kind of feel a little bit more confident in being able to take the dog out, and that feeds into the dog, and that feeds back, and just made things like a whole much better.